Trashidele, Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Now is the time, the end of the year, and I hope the end of the COVID-19 pandemic. And I want to send you congratulations and Happy New Year to all my Dharma brother and sisters. And of course, in the coming new years can bring happiness, antidote for the COVID-19, and it's quickly maybe we have the perfect vaccine, and also never ever appeared any other pandemic. That's the kind of we need to wish. And of course, it is, we say, the Happy New Year. And each new year, but the age of the time is increase. And according that, the beginning of the years, we should to have good plans for the coming new years. How I can to study Dharma, how I can to practice Dharma, how I can to develop my compassion, how I can to realize that my own nature of the reality in this moment, in this life and this year. And how I can to organize and the coming my years according the Dharma. And also it's like more focus on very important Dharma, the meaning of the Dharma, to understand the human existence and to understand the impermanent, to understand defects of the samsara, to understand the causalities, inevitable of the causalities, and to have perfect notice in our mind, to have the great mindfulness to remind again. Mind is to remind into our mind about these four reminders, and also how we can to make the meaning for our life, and also to prepare the impermanent. And what does it mean, prepares? Of course, impermanent is not pleasant, because impermanence is like kind of the changing process, big kind of the transference from one place to the others. Maybe we are very much attached to in this life, but sometimes impermanence transfer us from this appearances to another appearances. And before this transcendent or the appearance of the transference, we should to do something to have good appearances into the next place, and therefore to hurry up and to prepare for the next our destinations. Very important. And also our next destinations, we don't need to go to holiday in the samsara. We absolutely, our focus to thinking, go to nirvana and to do benefit to all the other sentient beings. This is a completely depends. We go to samsara or nirvana, next destinations are depends our present arrangement, present activity, the movement of the body, speech, mind. Very important to taking care, more embark the activity of the virtue and positive actions. And inner mind to develop compassion, massage your wisdom to understand what is correct, what is incorrect. If you do like this, you become the perfect families. You are the most precious, most superior, most peerless families. Please to do it. I'm ugly your families. I'm living in Brussels, scaring for the COVID-19, impermanent, doing nothing about the kind of the Dharma activities. Is a little bit the meaningless, but I have wonderful Dharma brothers and sisters. Maybe you can to help me. I can put hope to you. I put like kind of the request to you. You should to become the perfect Dharma brother and sister. Like I will to expecting to you to become the Buddha Dharma brother, Buddha sisters. And in the future, whenever we see in this life or the next life, it's just like kind of to become everybody like Buddha. And Daka and Dakinis. That is my wish. And that is like I want to say congratulations. And I want to say is like may you be a long life, healthy, and there's no any kind of hindrance for your Dharma path, your beneficial activities, and also activity of the Dharma. Please to maintain and a long life and without any sickness to involve all the times doing benefit for the sentient beings. And then it's like I may pray to you, your all the positive wish, beneficial with is the become the truth, fulfillment, and there is a kind of the solidity, unification, and like a kind of the wonderful peace, and like kind of the together and doing the benefit for the sentient beings and doing Dharma activities. And also today and the past, maybe you are the more like kind of the ordinary life. In this moment of the New Year's, you change, you are completely different. Absolutely. You know, it is like some student are the like when they are the before receive the PT instructions, sitting in the front of the teacher on the cushion, maybe like kind of the ordinary, like normal person. But they listen PT instructions, receive the PT instructions, inner mind is realized the inner nature of the realities. You are get up from the same cushion, you are like kind of the enlightened, completely different. Like this, and coming the next New Year's, you completely changed, different. Externally, you don't need to change your experience, appearances, and conditions, nose, face, body, cloth, no need to keep as it is. We call the original body, speech, minds. Realize that your original, everything it becomes the original simplicity, nature of the realities. That is like kind of the I'm sending for the congratulation of the new year, and thank you very much. I hope we pray to be together as soon as possible in the some place. Okay, many Dutch Dele, Happy New Year, congratulations. Thank you, La.